children, let's start with chapter number 6, knowing about Scratch. In this chapter, we'll study about Scratch. So, let's start with the chapter. A computer would have no idea about what we are saying because computer cannot think by itself and we cannot talk to it like a person. Like we talk with different person, हम ऐसे उससे बात नहीं कर सकते. And he cannot think, it cannot think itself. So we have to give them instruction in special computer language that computer can understand. It can understand only few special language on its own. What we call it? We call it programming language, right? So number of words and sentences that it understood are limited. So a programming language has a set of instruction called program for instructing a computer to perform a specific task. In this chapter, we will learn about one of the easiest computer language, what we call it Scratch. And Scratch was designed by MIT Institute of Technology, right? So what is Scratch program? Scratch is a programming language and on online community where children can perform and share interactive media like stories, games, animation, and will people from all over the world. As children create with Scratch, they learn to think creatively, work collaboratively, and reason systematically. Right. Next is how to start Scratch. You have to click on Start button, and after that, click on Scratch 2 option, which is available. The steps type of screen will open. A window will appear here. How you will do? This is your title bar. Here the title is given. This is menu bar. These are Scratch tools. These are different steps. These are view full screen. This is your green flag, stop button. This is your stripe and this is stitch. This is sprite list. This is new sprite buttons. And then we have tabs, block menu, sprite area, and block protect. Now, what is sprite? Now, let's understand it. Now, Scratch projects are made up of an object. The most basic object in Scratch is sprite. It is a small graphic character that performs action in Scratch project, right? So, there are many inbuilt sprites in Scratch. Cat is the default sprite. Then we have stage. It is the main working area where we all work. Now, what are block menus? In block menus, we have different categories of blocks. We have motion block, loop block, sound block, pen, data, event, control, sensing, operators, and mode block. Right? Related instruction are grouped together in a block. For example, all the movement related to instruction, they are listed when we select the motion block. Right? The block categories are all color coded. So when we see a block of a specific color, we can quickly determine which category it came from. These categories are, right? Then we have tab. We have 3 tabs. We have script. We have script tab, costume and sound tab. Then sprite tab, script tab, which is set of stepwise instruction given to a sprite to do a specific types. So what it is called a program and each instruction is also a command over here. It consists of block menu and allows us to write a script. Next is costume. It allows us to draw, import or edit images, right? Then we have sound. It allows us to record or import sounds file for a sprite to use. Then we have block platelet. We can find the various types of instruction in the block platelet used to program the sprite and it gives instruction to it and it is used to create a script in a Scratch. Then we have green flag. Green flag, it is a small green icon which is placed at the top right corner of the screen. When you will click on this button, the script will run step by step. Next is script area. It is the place what we do where we write the script for a sprite. And you will drag the instruction from the block platelet and you will drop it. Next is stop button. It is on the top right corner of the stage where you can stop the video. Then moving with sprite. Moving with sprite means to move or turn the sprite around through different angles, use blocks in the motion block category. Now let's create our first Scratch project to move the sprite. You will click on the motion block category. Click on move 10 steps and you will drag it in the script area, right? And click any block in the script area. You notice that a sprite moves the specific number of steps or they turn itself. Now motion block. What are the different motion block? Move 10 steps. The block is used to move the sprite by 10 steps in forward direction. Then turn 15 degree. This is used to turn the script in the clockwise direction. We can change the number of steps of the sprite as it moves by clicking inside the area, right? So now draw a square. For drawing the square, what you will do, to draw lines, On the stage, the pen block category is used. So let us draw a square. Click on the pen block category in the block. Click and drag the pen down, right? Then click on motion block category. Click and drag the script area. Click any block on the script area till the sprite complete square. जब तक sprite आपके square को complete नहीं करता तब तक आपको move करना है. And we can also make the square colorful. आप square को colorful भी बना सकते हैं. Now pen blocks. We have pen down, set pen size 2 and set pen color 2. Change the pen color bar, right? So this block is used to draw lines and the sprites as we move. This block is used to set the color of the pen. It is used to change the color of the pen. Now you want to save a project. Now for saving the project, you will click on the file. We'll go to save as option. जैसे आप save as option पे जाओगे, एक dialog box appear होगा and there you have to write the file root. Whatever name you want to write, you can write over there and you can save your file. Now creating a new project, you will click on the file menu. There is the option of select a new. You have to go to new option. Now opening an existing project, click on the file menu, right? Then select the open option and the open dialog box will appear over there. Select the project you want to open and click on the open button. Now exiting script. अब आप उसको बंद करना चाहते हो. So for that, click on the file menu and select the quit option and your scratch menu will be quit now. Right? Hope you understood. The chapter has been completed. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.